Hello and welcome to our training. In this video, you will learn how to print the agenda in TownVOTE. Start by creating or importing the file for your agenda. Then, when the agenda is completed, you can click on the Export button of the agenda page. To print the agenda, you will want to choose the Excel file format when exporting. Clicking Export again from the pop-up window will prompt you to save the agenda. After saving the file in the desired location, you will automatically be redirected to Microsoft Excel's Print Preview window. In this window, you can print the agenda page, save it as a PDF file, or press the Escape button to edit the file in Excel. Thank you for watching this training on how to print the agenda in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.